Could you please listen for 1 minute? I'd like to share something about them. They are studying at his madrasa over there. So this is what's your name?
My name is Ashik.
This is Ashik and this is Tahasin. They only get time in the afternoon for playing any kind of game, but they don't play. Why? Cause they like to learn English. So every day in the afternoon they come to me so that they can learn English. So my dear audience, don't make excuse for learning English. So I have taught them little bit about English. So let me see. Hello Ashik, how are you today?
I am fine.
How old are you?
I am 14 years old.
Nice, nice. And what about you, Tahasin? How are you?
I am fine.
Wow. So my dear audience, do you think that I'm doing something good? Please subscribe to my channel.